The glass is broken, the contract failed, the work was lost, the promise paled. Someone paid a doctor, someone missed a wage, someone lost tomorrow because of one careless day. A car needs repair, a hand cannot lift, a business counted losses from a promised gift. The core cannot rewind it, cannot make it clean, so it asks the harder question: what does this loss mean? Show what was taken, show what it cost, show the path from wrongful act to what was lost. Some harm has received, some harm has pain, some harm proves the right was crossed, though little can be claimed. The law cannot undo the harm, so it learns to measure it, count what was lost, and prove the weight of it. Not every tear, not every scar, but damages ask how far, how far. Harm, prove, measure, limit, oh, harm, prove, measure, limit, harm, prove, measure, limit. Compensatory damages try to make loss whole, medical bills and earnings, property, body roll. Pain and suffering enter where the numbers bend, future care may follow if the proof can extend. Nominal damages whisper, the right was crossed today, even when no heavy loss can be clearly laid. Punitive damages thunder when conduct goes too far, not to repair the broken thing, but to punish what caused the scar. In contract expectation, as what should have been, if the promise had been carried out and performance had come in, if the benefit promised as close as law can do. Not every hope is payable, but proven loss comes through. The law cannot undo the harm, so it learns to measure it, count what was lost, and prove the weight of it. Not every tear, not every scar, but damages ask how far, how far. Causation asks, did this wrong cause that? Foreseeability asks, was the loss on the map? Certainty asks, can the number stand? Mitigation asks, did you use a careful hand? Money is a remedy, but never time reversed. The court may price the damage without healing what hurt first. The law cannot undo the harm, so it learns to measure it, count what was lost, and prove the weight of it. Harm, proof, measure, limit. The remedy is made, not to erase the injury, but to answer what was paid. The glass is broken, the contract failed, the court writes an amount. Wounds healed.